Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Easy Tips 256. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can use lemon, garlic, fresh ginger remedy to improve the circulation of your body, to detoxify your body, to boost immune in your body. So if you don't know how to make this amazing remedy, please stay tuned, because you're going to learn how to mix these ingredients and how to use this home remedy. And if your body is detoxified, of course, even your performance will get better. And besides that, this remedy will help you to cleanse your body and even to increase the circulation of blood in your body. Trust me, if your body gets high circulation from blood, your performance will get better. So I decided to first show you how you can detoxify your body, how you can boost immune in your body in order to get good performance, in order to improve your performance. So I'm requesting you watch the entire video from the beginning up the end, and I am requesting you, after completing this video for this home remedy, please share the video to your friends. Okay, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. But before I start preparing this home recipe, I told you this home remedy first of all will bring back your stamina, and of course will improve on the circulation of your blood in your body, and also it will help you to detoxify your body. Okay, and besides that, my dear, this home remedy will help you to regulate blood pressure. And by the way, if you want to improve on your stamina, please, you need this home remedy. And trust me, this home recipe will help you to boost your immune. So you need such amazing remedy to obtain all good results for you to improve on your performance. So first of all, you need garlic, okay? And I want you to get 3 pieces of garlic. Guys, follow what I tell you, follow what I do, and I'm requesting you, please watch the video from the beginning up the end, because at the end I always tell you when and for how long to use this home recipe. So watch the video from the beginning up the end. Okay, trust me, this is amazing remedy which you need to increase the circulation of your blood, to detoxify your body, okay, to increase or to boost your immune. And if you are suffering from high blood pressure, my dear, this home recipe will help you to regulate that issue. Okay, so I want you to clean your garlic, because I told you we need only 3 pieces of garlic for this home recipe to take place. But please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course to share the video to your friends. You can share the video in WhatsApp groups, on WhatsApp status, so that other people get chance to know such amazing recipe. You are going to crush your garlic. So just do it like this. Put aside. Even you crush even this one, you put aside. You crush even this one, you put aside. Then after crushing your garlic, I want you to get for me empty bottle. It can be glass or it can be a plastic bottle, but remember it has to be with a cover, as you see. So we are going to put here our garlic, which I have crushed, as you see. Okay, then next, get for me one yellow lemon. It can be green so long as it's lemon, okay, or green lemon. We need its juice. Even this one, as you see. So from that, bring here your juice. Next, we need fresh ginger. As you see, we need fresh ginger. Please guys, to remind you, this home recipe, first of all, will boost your immune. So if your immune is down, please take this home recipe. And besides that, it will increase blood circulation. Remember, if your blood saturation is high, the performance automatically will become better. Okay, so expect good stamina, expect to recover good stamina. And besides that, if you are suffering from high blood pressure, this home recipe is for you. Okay, and trust me, this home recipe will help you to detoxify your body. So this video, you need it. This home remedy, you need it. That's why you have to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And guys, I told you, leave a comment in the comment section. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Okay, this is what I always upload. So share the video, leave a comment, and of course subscribe if you have never subscribed. Get for me ginger. Okay, get for me ginger, just a little piece of it like this. This is enough. From that, I want you to grate your ginger. If your manpower is down, if you'd like to increase blood circulation, you need this home recipe. And if you have been looking the best remedy to help you to detoxify your body, my dear, this is the best video for you now. First of all, to boost immune system, you need this home recipe. Now from that, transfer your ginger into your bottle, as you see. Lastly, we need hot boiled water. You are going to add hot boiled water into your recipe. Okay, you're going to add hot boiled water, as you see. And I told you, from that you have to cover your home recipe. Cover your home recipe very well. Then, my dear, I want you to keep this home recipe for 5 minutes. As I told you, this is the best remedy ever, which will help you to detoxify your body, to increase blood circulation, to regulate blood pressure, and of course to increase your stamina. But don't forget, we are still proceeding with our preparation. After 5 minutes, I'm going to filter this home remedy. It's hot. As you see, this is our amazing home recipe which I have prepared for you guys. So if you want to make it stiff and strong during bed performance, after knowing the preparation, what next? What are you supposed to do after knowing the preparation? But before I tell you when and for how long you're supposed to use this home remedy, my dear, subscribe. If you have never subscribed, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. And of course, don't be selfish. Please share the video to your friends so that they have a chance to get to know how to make such amazing home remedy which will improve their lives forever. Remember, I told you this home recipe increases blood circulation. And besides that, my dear, if you have been looking for the recipe which will help you to detoxify your body, you have the best recipe ever. Okay? And trust me, the same remedy will help you to boost immune. Okay? So this is what you need to obtain such benefits which I have told you. So I recommend you to take this remedy very early in the morning before eating anything, let me say on your empty stomach, at least for 3 to 4 days in the week. Don't take it every day because it's very powerful. So take it 3 days in the week or 4 days in the week, less than 3 days in the week. Trust me, this will improve your stamina. This will bring back your good performance. This home recipe will help you to cleanse your body. So, take it less than 3 days in the week. Maximum 4 days in the week. Trust me, you won't remain the same. Okay? I'll remain Coach Uganda on Easy Tips 256. So subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section. I love you so much. May God bless you. See you again to the next video.